Alright guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Google Veo 3 free, Gemini Pro, and a whopping 2 terabytes of Google Drive all for free. I'll also show you how to create videos with Veo 3. Before we proceed, here are amazing samples of videos created with Google Veo 3.
The microfilm's in your ticket, Dana.
They're watching the north exit.
I'm not real. I was created by AI from nothing but a prompt in Google Veo.
Are we real?
Nope. We were created by NarcoWiz from just a prompt using Google Veo 3. You don't need filmmaking expertise to create something straight out of Hollywood. Just use Veo 3. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to NarcoWiz YouTube channel.
How do you see those videos? Realistic, right? After this video, you'll know how to create them. Let's get started. All right, visit the link in the description box and log in with a Gmail account. I'll recommend you uses any USA VPN. Once you're in, click on Get Student Offer. You'll be taken to where you'll download Gemini app. When you return, you'll see you're already subscribed to Gemini Pro, which gives you Google Veo 3 for free and a whopping 2 terabytes of storage. Now let me show you how to access Veo 3 and how to use it. Search for Flow by Google and click on the first result. Click on Create with Flow and sign in with your Google account. Now say Hello to Google Veo 3. Click on Get Started. As you can see, we are giving 1,000 monthly credit for free. Now let's create some videos. Click on New Project. Now let's head over to ChatGPT to generate some prompts for our video. Type in this prompt for ChatGPT. To generate the prompt in the Google Veo, click on Text to Video. Once the ChatGPT prompt is ready, copy and paste it here. And click Generate. Our video is ready, but wait a minute. We actually used Google Veo 2, hence the low in quality with no sound. Let's go again, guys. This time, do all the necessary stuffs. This time, select Highest Quality, which is Google Veo 3. You'll be charged 100 credit per video generation. Paste your prompt this like we did before, and click Generate. And now, we just got delivered the power of Google Veo 3. That's it, guys.
Are we real?
Nope. We were created by NarcoWiz from just a prompt using Google Veo 3.